Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today we're going to talk about this expression or saying in English, and that is silence means consent. Sometimes we say silence implies consent, and sometimes we say silence gives consent. All mean the same thing. Silence means consent. And what does it mean? Well, this is not really difficult to understand. You can read, this is, by silence we really mean silence, because sometimes with proverbs, idioms, we say something and we mean something completely different. We say pair and we mean something valuable, but not the pair themselves, or something like this. But silence over here means silence, not to disagree with something is silence, okay, and that means consent. Okay, imagine something goes on. Something, let's say, bad. Okay, something bad is going on around you and you know about that and you keep quiet. You are silent. You keep quiet. And you do not disagree with that situation. You do not report that bad thing, whatever it is. You do not say anything. You do not stop the people who are doing that. So you keep quiet. That means you agree with them. That somehow implies that you agree with those people. You are not bothered. You're okay if they're doing something bad. You're okay with that. So in these situations, we tell people, your silence means consent. Means you are also in the same group, okay, with those people. Let's look at the examples and see. I've got two different areas that we use it. The one that I explained is this one, okay? So now let's start with the first one. A says, what did Fred say when you told him we were thinking of leaving the office early? He didn't say anything. Silence. He didn't say anything. Then he must not mind if we go. Silence means consent, okay? Someone tells Fred that we, a group of people, maybe 2 or 3 or more people, are thinking of leaving the office early, and Fred doesn't say anything. So most probably he doesn't mind. He's okay with this decision. Okay? And A also concludes that he must not mind. He must not mind if we go. He must be okay with this decision. Okay? Because he has kept silence. He is not saying anything. So his silence means he agrees. He's okay with it. Alright? Okay, now let's look at this one, which is also kind of the definition of this. And that is, if you close your eyes to robberies, then you are one of them. Silence means consent. Okay? This is kind of the definition of the expression, but this time on robberies. So you are aware of some robberies that are taking place and going around you. You see those things around you, but you close your eyes to them. Means you do not report the robberies. You do not stop them from doing that. You just do not. You pretend that you haven't heard that. You do not know that. Then you are one of them. Who? The robbers. Okay? So you are one of them. You are one of those people because you help them do what they are doing in a way. Okay? So then that's why the person says you are one of them. Silence means consent. Over here, silence means your silence. You, the one that has heard this or has seen it. Your silence means consent, means that you agree with them and you let them do this. Okay? So this is how we use it. Okay? In these situations, we use it, we tell people, and mainly this. Of course, you can see that this is used, no, not even over here. This is used in a separate sentence. Mainly comes like this. But you might just attach it to another sentence. But they are not, we do not separate the words and put things in between. This is mainly the same way. It appears like this in a sentence or mainly on its own. Alright, so that was easy, isn't it? Wasn't it? I think so. Hope you have enjoyed this. Hope you have learned something from this video, and now you would be able to use it in your daily speak or whatever you're doing. In your writings, I don't know, or chats or whatever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.